my favorite teacher because, she helps me and she's down with me,
Mr. Grisham is my favorite teacher because he emails me 24/7 to make me get my work done.
Teacher Appreciation Week. Who's your favorite teacher and why?
My favorite teachers is Miss Kimmy and Miss Taylor because they both try to push me to do better.
One of my favorite teachers is Miss Taylor because she pushes us to do our best and she doesn't give up on us.
And why?
Miss Taylor because she's real fun and we got her class in the morning and she's real hyper and stuff and she just right into the mood and everything.
I have to say Miss Ray too because she know how to take a joke and she's a fun teacher.
How do you feel about the teachers at Blue Mountain?
I really appreciate them, and I just want to say they're way better than regular teachers.
I appreciate them because they try to help me to be good and make sure that I do my work